actually sped up. Like he wanted to run it over.
Mura na lang. So how do you like it?
Let's see, where is it?
What?
Oh.
Man, that's good.
Yeah. You don't yet, but you will.
Yun siya guys. Lutuin natin guys. Imumukbang natin yan tonight. After nating lutuin to. Ang nilagay ko is oil, toyo.
Good morning, Philippines!
Yun guys, naghihintay kay Tami guys, mga ibon. Sabi niya, tignan mo. Okay, go. They're waiting for you. They're over there waiting for Tami to put food. Jesus Christ, they're so happy. Look. Look. Look, Tami's right there. Kaloka to. Tumitingin lang. Kaloka lang to. He doesn't even feed the dog. Hindi niya pinakain yung aso. Pero pinakain niya yung mga ibon. Tignan niya. Pupunta yan dyan. Look. They're going. Look, naghihintay na mga animak. Kaloka naman itong mga ibon to. And they're crazy. They're all like, after you leave, they are back. They're like, when they see you out, they're like happy. What the frick is going on with this bird? Look at that, guys. They're already there. After you leave, they're like flying and coming. They're so happy. And this is ridiculous. Nilutuan na naman ako ni Tami. Ito talagang si Tami, guys. Oh. Kaloka. Ano bang gagawin ko nito? Kaloka. Kumakain na ako lahat-lahat. Ito naman, pinakain na naman ako. Ay, hindi ako magniwang nito. Hindi ako magniwang. Nag-i-edit ako ng video guys, yung dinner namin. So nag-edit, hindi pa ako magpakita sa inyo kasi bulingit ako ngayon guys. So hi guys. Alis kami. Time check. Ano na ay ginoo ko. 1 o'clock na and hindi pa rin kami kung ano yung dapat anuhin namin, but pinahipi diri pinahipi diri nga kilid. But anyway, so yun, nilabhan ko to kahapon kasi may dugo dito. May nakita akong dugo dito, maliit, so ginanon ko, pero naisip ko laban ko yun kasi dugo yun eh. Jesus Christ. No, I'm answering it. Hey! Hey! Look, she doesn't answer. She doesn't. Yung auntie ko tumawag. So, hindi po lang kami bili ng tawag nito. Pipe, right? Pipe. Yung weather ngayon is good. The weather is not bad, right? It's perfect.
Little cat. Don't run over that little cat. He speeds up. This idiot.
He ran already. The cat ran.
But the idiot speeds up. He sees a cat walking across the street and he actually sped up, the moron. Like he wanted to run it over.
There's cat, guys. Alam nyo naman si Tami sa pusa. Ay. Galit si Tami. Hala. What the heck? My God. Lurks. Hinawakan ko yung titi ko. Yung totoy ko ba kasi parang I thought wala akong bra. Meron pala. Makakalimutin na din ako guys. Natakdan man ko guys. Uy. Natakdan ko sa biyanan ko guys. Okay guys, uwi pala ako mamaya. Yeah. I don't know, do I have to eat dinner here or just go over there to feed the cats early?
No, it's your choice.
Huh? It's my choice. I know it's my choice. I'm asking you, help me decide.
No, but
Huh?
no, but I can't decide that for you.
Of course you can. Pila may palit jud ninyo. Yuta pa na siya pay balay. Aw. Saman. How much you pay for the
Pink?
No, for
$65.
how many? For 65 one?
For one.
Seriously,
I wanted to go to Costco, but you.
So how much you pay for the car wash? $26
Yeah.
for just the inside thing, the outside.
Inside too. Huh? You kidding? You don't smell it. You don't like to see it.
Naghanap ako ng seafood, guys.
What's the address of Main Street?
Ay, dami. 482 Main Street. Ito yung city of New Rochelle, guys.
This is Yukon Street.
Huh?
This is Yukon Street. Main Street's the other way.
Main Street, but this is the city of New Rochelle. New Rochelle. It is busy here. Hanapin natin yung fish market, guys, kasi tignan natin kung okay ba yung fish nila dito. Sa New Rochelle. It's
$4.99.
looking right here. It's right here, fish market right here. I'll go down. I'll go look and then I will let you know, okay? Stop. Okay, tignan natin dito, guys. Oh, naka-parking. Meron ditong parking, ah. Park si Tommy dito.
Yeah, snapper. That's
Nice.
red snapper.
Yeah, and
Snapper or bluefish.
that's salmon over there. Ito yung kinuha ko, guys. Mackerel. Ito siya. Get one. What tilapia? Oh, this is tilapia right here. Oh, big. What is this? Catfish. Mag-ano daw sila, guys. Magsara na. Kaya, mura na lang daw dito. Kasi magsara na sila. So, si Tami gustong pumunta dito. Lilis. Oo, alam ko naman talagang magsara sila pala. Nakalimutan ko. Mura na lang. So, how do you like it?
Price.
The price is right in the back. How much is the original price here?
35.
That's over there. Look at it. With the 40%. 35. 21. You pay 21 bucks. Okay na. Nakakuha na kami, guys. Ha? Yeah. Nakabili.
So maybe they're just closing down this location.
Yeah. It's really sad, guys, that Payless is closing. I heard this long time ago that Payless all over the world because they have Payless also in the Philippines.
Yeah, but usually they do that and then somebody bails them out. But I guess not.
What do you mean by bounce it out?
Somebody
Buy it?
Somebody comes in with a bunch of money and saves
Buy
the company
it?
from
Really?
going back. Yeah, and then they.
The same thing with us.
Then they-
What is that, SIRS?
Yeah. and then
Did
they-
somebody save the SIRS?
Twice.
Twice?
Sears became like Kmart instead of like it saved them, and then the Sears stores became like Kmart. It was like backwards and retarded.
Maglinis lang ako, guys, kasi ang daming dugo. Nilinis ko to kahapon. Look, it's dirty already.
That's where you was sitting.
You're so dirty, hon.
That was you.
You're so dirty.
That was you. That was you. Let's see. Where's the?
What?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's everywhere. You think this one is this bloody hill over there she hold because this is where she at, and then it's like dripping everywhere. I cleaned it yesterday. I said, I'm gonna clean it. Han, can I just spray it everywhere? It's okay, right? Huh?
Go crazy. Don't get it on the glass.
Yeah. I can do it in this, right?
Yeah, but don't get it on the window.
Yeah, I'm gonna spray it like this, Tommy. Are you sure?
Yeah. How's this?
I don't touch. I saw the. You touch it. I just told you.
Yeah.
This handle, I know. I don't care. I'm gonna wash it. Hey, you fix your washing machine?
Still hot. Run
Linis-linis guys pag may time. Ang ginaw guys, 'di ba nagka-car wash kami, yung car wash hindi lilinis o mayroon pang dugo. No. No, I'm good.
I could swear that this room has been running out of air and now it's starting to
Ang ginamit ko pala guys is itong panglinis ng ano, yung leather na ano. Kasi masisira kasi ito, sabi pa ni Tami. Mahilig ako kasi mag-wipe ng Clorox wipe para talagang sure na monetize, sure talaga na linis yung ano. Sabi pa ni Tami, wag mong gamitin yung Clorox wipe. Gusto mo ba masira yung sasakyan mo? Sabi pa niya. Alam nyo guys, yung pinaka ano ko this summer, maglilinis na naman ako sa yard. Itong blanket na to, hindi to sa akin. Ito pala yung binili namin guys na ano, Tami, boots ni Tami. Mura na lang, 21 bucks. Pang isno kasi ito. And yung binili ko is ito. 24 bucks. Original price nito is 40. And yan, 24 bucks na lang. Ito yung isda guys. Nilagyan ko ng ice. I love being with him. But for now, we're separated.
Left it there. We'll see less people there. Because that's the way they are.
Man, that's good.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Is it tasty? For crackling, yes.
Pig skin.
It's good.
You get the right one, they have a little bit of fat here. So here.
Say bye-bye, hon. We'll see you
Hi guys.
Monday. Right? Come here, Roxy, in. Get in. Get in.
Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl, Roxy. Let's go. Let's go, go, go.
Put their real collars on, please, hon.
Cutting the fish. Bye-bye to your kids.
Hey, Roxy. You behave. Lie down nice. Have a good jaw drive. We'll see you later.
Love you, hon.
Love you too. Yeah?
More. Oh, I can do it. Yeah. I love you. Please.
Love you too.
I'll talk to you later. Okay, that's the wrong one. That's it, B-boy.
Oh, look how filthy the top of that one is.
Yeah, need to be clean.
Yeah. Bye, hon.
I love my B-boy.
Drive careful.
Yeah. Oi,
You too.
hold me, huh? Love you. I miss you, B-boy. I miss you already.
What?
I miss you already. I miss you already.
You don't yet, but you will.
Bye-bye.
Drive careful.
Yeah.
Bye, puppy uppies.
Okay guys, traffic na ngayon guys. Magpa-music muna tayo guys.
Hey, big girl.
Kisses? You give Dada kisses.
Kisses.
Give Dada a kiss.
Kiss. She's a forget. Okay.
Okay, Han. Bye-bye. Love you. I'm home. I'm home. I'm going to feed the kids. Kinuha ko to doon sa kay Tami. Sabi ko, magamit man kasi ito eh. Yung mga individual pack ko parang sandwich. Yan. Pakainin ko muna tong si Hubs guys kasi gutom. Gutom, my man! Itong fish na binili ko kanina. I-ano natin ito. Inununan ba? Paksiw. Inununan. Hungry? Why are you hungry? Hungary man na, uy, Hungary na, kaluoy man na, uy, o, tanda, nagatong yun, guys, o, is waiting, o, nagatong, ang bitong, nagatong, naman ko bitongan, mama, utinan man ko, mama, gudoy, nagpataka na lamang gini si mama na magyawit ba, magyawit. Okay, guys, it's time to look kung ano yung binigay na isda. Kasi maganda yung pinili ko na mackerel. Macarela. Okay naman, yung isda look fresh naman. Hindi naman mapula yung ano, mata. Bakit parang injected? Or ganito talaga yung ano niya, look. Ah, okay. Whatever. Yan, yung mata, o ano pa siya yung mata. Walang, isumbag man ang usa, ano pa. Ang isang mata is okay. Ang isa na mata, ano, parang na-black eye. Nagka-black eye man. Kalokang ito, hindi man nagkapareha. Yun siya, guys. Lutuin natin, guys. Imumukbang natin yan tonight after nating lutuin to. Ang nilagay ko is oil, toyo, suka, and lime, lemon, and lime, and garlic, onion, ginger, paminta, and ano pa ba? Tubig. Nilagyan ko ng tubig para naman mix siya ba, hindi siya pure na ano talaga yung seasoning. Nilagyan ko din konti ng ano, Maggi Savor na Maggi Calamansi yun. Nagbukal-bukal na siya. Very bukal-bukal. It smells good. And nagluto ako ng rice kasi for sure, I don't know kung okay ba tong rice na to. Alam naman natin, guys, na ano yan. Alam naman natin na inuunan yan paksiw. So, sobrang sarap. So, add tayo ng rice. Nagluto ako ng rice. Ito yung binili ni Tammy, guys, na 14 bucks lang daw ang box. 1 box. Original price daw, I don't know if I told you. Original price is 40 something. I don't know if it's, but he told me original price is 40 and ginasil daw nila ito ng, paano ba to i-open, guys? How to open it? Whatever. So, okay. Hala. Dalawang ganitong size. Actually, apat ganitong size. Para pang ano ba, sabaw. Yan, sabaw. Puti siya, puti. And, ito, dalawang malaki na pang ano talaga, serving. And then, meron pa dito, guys. Okay, the same thing what I have here. Pero iba siya nakarel, guys. Parang pareha lang ito. Pareha siya sa yung andito ngayon sa amin. Yung binili ko na tatlo. Kasi tatlo kami dito. Plus, dalawa na lang kami ni Tammy. Kasi yung biyanan ko is, ano, halahugin, guys. Ano, ilan ba ang andito? 4, 8, 16, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kayo, guys, kung gusto nyo mag-invest ng plato na pang matagalan, pang forever. Yun, ito. Ito yun, oh, bilhin nyo. Yun. May mga design naman sila. Yung mga ganun. Pero I told Tammy na gusto ko tong puti, clean. Kasi sobrang neat. So yun. I-open natin silang lahat. And yun, guys. Tapos na, guys. May sabaw siya. Kasi gusto ko yung sabaw. Shibew. Yun, sarap yan. Inununan, guys. Paksiw, guys. It's 7:30. Hindi pa kumain tong dalawang aso. They'll get hungry because I'm not giving them anything. And yun, hindi ko na ito mahugasan. Bukas na lang kasi puno yung ano. Walang space to ano. I-end ko na tong video, guys, kasi ano, gabi na, and gusto kong magpahinga kasi Parang feeling ko, hindi ako nakapagpahinga talaga. Parang hindi, yung katawan ko. Yan. So, yan, daming laundry. Additional. Sus, laban naman tayo nito. Daming labahan. Thank you guys. I will see you guys in my next one. And I really appreciate sa pagsama ninyo sa amin ni Tammy. And yes, sinamahan nyo kami. And I will see you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I hope I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye. Good night.